Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how we can fix Android overheating and battery issue. Okay, to fix battery issue and Android overheating, we have to go to our settings application, tap on the settings application to open it, and we're going to open the device care setting or device care option. Right, and we can go to the diagnostics right here, tap on this option, and if you want to fix your Android overheating, you can click on the wait guys, it's still loading. Okay, you can click on the battery usage diagnostics right here, and as you can see that no apps detected using too much battery, so there's no Android overheating on my phone. And if you want to fix the battery issues, you can go to the phone diagnostics right here, and you can check your battery status. Where is it? Okay, this one, tap on this battery status and just wait for a moment. Okay, and my battery status is normal and it's still good. Alright guys, and that's how we can fix Android overheating and battery issue on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.